हेलो एवरीवन, ये है हमारे कलर्स। ब्लू कलर, ब्लू कलर, गोल्डन कलर, ब्लैक कलर, ब्राउन कलर, ग्रीन कलर, रेड कलर। बच्चों, आज हम सीखेंगे A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, A, B, C, A for apple, A for apple. Apple means red. A for apple, apple means A for aeroplane, A for aeroplane, A for airport, A for airport, A for ant, A for ant, B for ball, B for ball, B for banana, B for banana, B for bus, B for bus, B for book, B for books. Book means kitab. C for car, C for car, C for cat, C for cherry, C for chair, A for apple, A for ant, A for airplane, A for airport, B for ball, B for bus, B for book, B for bicycle, C for cat, C for cat, C for cook, C for clock, C for cycle.